Many local people pass by this place every day, but very few have ever seen the entire Lixing Reservoir, the main water source of the town. Today, we're starting our road trip from Huang Baoling, Gongping town. Our drone follows the car along winding country roads, taking you on a closer look at this beautiful hometown. Along the way, you'll see rolling green mountains, peaceful villages, and thousands of acres of terraced fields where local farmers work every day. After driving through the mountain countryside, we finally arrive at Lixing Reservoir, the heart of Gongping town. This quiet reservoir provides drinking water and irrigation for the whole town, making it an important part of local life. This 11-minute 26-second aerial journey shows the natural beauty and peaceful countryside of Gongping. If you're from Gongping, have you ever visited this reservoir or played here as a child? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your memories in the comments.